Hello and welcome everyone. If you're new to this channel, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching the live show Musings with Software Engineers. Is it good to start learning RPA technology as a fresher? See, just today everybody is talking about 3 million people are going to lose job because of robotic process automation, which means what? Robotic process automation, which is also called as RPA, is a very hot technology. Everybody wants to implement this technology. Every company is thinking this is something cool, okay, which will change the things for me. Like I don't have to hire employees. I can just, have these robots in my office and my work will get done. Of course, that is just a dream, okay, and very soon entrepreneurs will wake up from that dream because robotic process automation projects are not going to be easy, also not going to be cost effective. A lot of people will not, what they are saying that 3 million people will lose the job. Lot of company will not do RPA because the technology will be so costly that they will not want to do this. They will be fine with people managing their processes, okay, but as a person learning this technology, it is a hot skill. If you become a RPA developer, if you become a person who understands how to write code in RPA technology, or who understands tools and technologies you can use for RPA, or who learns specific scripting which is required for RPA, then you are kind of a hot talent. Like TCS calls it hot talent, Infosys will call it something else, but you are kind of a hot talent which will be so important for the industry, right? So yes, RPA technology is good to start even as a fresher. Okay, it has a long, very long tenure, and it's a hot skill. If you can get this skill, then yes, it will help you grow really fast in your career. Is that okay? All of you who are here, please share this video with your friends. Like this video if you have not liked this video. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon, because when you press the bell icon, you will get the notification. I am live every Thursday at 9:05 p.m. Okay.